Envision the cosmos as an intricate enigma reflecting your thoughts. Picture your existence as a captivating spectacle, where each thought and emotion serves as a celestial entity, vying for the spotlight, much like planets orbiting the sun. Your attention propels these stars, causing them to shine brightly or fade into the background. Often, we are oblivious to the fact that we are the directors of this cosmic production. In the grand theatre of life, you wield the power to determine which scenes impact you. You can choose what commands your attention. If something seems unusual, you can simply ignore certain thoughts, and they will cease to exert influence on your inner world. In the law of attraction, your thoughts are akin to actors auditioning for a role. It is your prerogative to cast them as leads or cut them from the script. Direct your energy positively, and observe how the universe responds in kind. However, for the universe to heed your desires, you must learn to communicate and connect with it. Focus on establishing a connection with the universe. The key lies in where you place your focus. Since birth, the universe has been like a friend, asking, "What do you want?" To converse with the universe, you must understand the language of energy it employs. The universe doesn't comprehend spoken languages. It senses your energetic vibes. Each reaction you exhibit is akin to conveying a message to the universe, affirming your desire for more of the same. Learning this process is akin to selecting and deciding meticulously. Much like a conductor leading a vast orchestra, we must determine which thoughts and feelings deserve amplification through our attention. When we concentrate on something specific, it's akin to casting a vote for more of it. Conversely, neglecting certain aspects indicates to the universe that we lack interest. This realization underscores the immense power we hold in shaping our own lives. Our attention serves as a medium through which we communicate our desires to the universe, orchestrating the music of our existence. Imagine your life as a grand stage where every thought and emotion has the potential to unfold, like a captivating symphony. Playing a starring role, the cosmos remains ever inquisitive, resembling an eager audience consistently posing the question, "What's your story?" To eloquently narrate the script of your life to the universe, it is crucial to comprehend the subtle language of energy. The universe, functioning as a discerning observer, doesn't decode spoken words but tunes into the frequencies of your vibrational responses. Each response you emit, whether it be joy, frustration, love, or fear, is interpreted by the universe as an enthusiastic request for more of the same. Grasping this concept is akin to becoming an adept selector, much like a maestro carefully choosing the notes that will shape a magnificent symphony. In this cosmic concert, our attention acts as the spotlight, illuminating the performers, our thoughts and emotions. To take center stage in the cosmic narrative, we must focus our mental and emotional spotlight on specific aspects of our lives. This is akin to casting a vote. Endorsing more of these experiences, a powerful act of selection, resembling an artist choosing colors for a canvas to create a masterpiece of our lived experience. Conversely, turning our attention away from certain thoughts or events sends a clear signal to the universe that these are not the elements we wish to feature in our life's narrative. This realization is empowering, unveiling our role as co-creators in the grand performance of life. Our focused attention becomes the instrument through which we express our desires and preferences to the universe, orchestrating the unique symphony of our existence. Highlighting the power of the present moment. Effectively speaking with the universe involves focusing on thinking and speaking in the present tense. Despite our tendency to dwell on the past or anticipate the future, the universe, with its vast knowledge, only recognizes what's happening right now. Thoughts about the past or future are like echoes, whereas the present moment is where the universe pays attention. In essence, when we think, it's akin to having a conversation with the cosmos. The universe, however, interprets our thoughts and emotions in a unique way. This boundless entity perceives only the present as the canvas of reality, even though we often find ourselves drifting into memories of the past or dreams of the future. These are mere shadows compared to the vibrant reality of the now. Our thoughts serve as powerful messengers to the universe, yet their interpretation hinges on our perception of time. The universe, a grand mirror of consciousness, reflects not only thoughts but also the essence behind them. Consider this analogy. Expressing to the universe, "I will be happy," is akin to stating, "I am not happy at this moment." Instead, immerse yourself in the belief that you already embody the joy you seek. The joy of every dream and aspiration pulsates within the universe's vast spectrum of realities. Embrace the feeling of accomplishment now, and observe as the universe aligns your reality with these resonant frequencies. This approach requires more than just voicing desires. It involves living them in the present, fully embodying the essence of our aspiration, adding another dimension to this dynamic interaction. It's crucial to understand that our connection with the universe is a perpetual dance of energy. The universe is constantly in motion, responding to the rhythms of our thoughts and emotions. By aligning ourselves with the present moment, we tap into a powerful frequency where our desires resonate as realities rather than echoing as mere wishes. Achieving this alignment necessitates a shift in mindset, a transformation, where we not only hope for a desired future, but actively live and breathe it in the present. This process involves creating a vibrant tapestry of the present, woven with the threads of our deepest intentions. In this dance with the universe, we become co-creators, shaping our journey not as distant dreamers, but as present participants fully engaged in the art of manifesting our deepest desires. Through this alignment, we unlock the full potential of our connection with the universe, turning aspiration into tangible experiences in the ever-evolving dance of existence. Consciousness expansion unfolding now. Embarking on the journey of expanding your consciousness is akin to unlocking new levels in the intricate game of existence. Life in this game doesn't follow a simple, straight path. Instead, it unfolds as a vibrant, interactive experience brimming with countless possibilities and hidden rules. Your mastery of this game is defined by how deeply you comprehend its various aspects. Envision yourself at a high-stakes poker table, where beginners may struggle against experienced players who have mastered the art of strategy and bluffing. Similarly, as you expand your consciousness, you begin to perceive the vast array of elements in the universe. This understanding equips you to navigate the twists and turns of life with greater ease, akin to learning the secret tactics of the game. These insights empower you to make choices that lead to success and fulfillment. The process of expanding your consciousness involves widening your perception, being more in tune with your inner world, recognizing your thought patterns, and understanding the universe's endless complexities. In this grand game of life, each new insight adds to your ability to play wisely and strategically. Embracing this broader perspective transforms you from a mere observer to a masterful player, crafting your path with intent and precision. Consciousness expansion is not merely an increase in knowledge. It signifies a profound shift in perspective. It's like putting on a new pair of glasses that bring the world into sharper focus. Suddenly, the once hidden patterns and connections become clear, allowing you to see the bigger picture. You start understanding how your thoughts, feelings, and actions are interconnected with the greater tapestry of the universe. This expanded view enables you to see beyond the surface, uncovering deeper truths that guide the flow of life. As you continue to grow in awareness, you realize that you are not merely reacting to life, but actively participating in shaping your own destiny. Shaping your reality involves becoming a conscious co-creator, aligning your inner vision with the vast potential of the universe. This profound understanding opens up a realm of possibilities, allowing you to navigate life's journey with wisdom, clarity, and purpose. In this heightened state of consciousness, you are not merely playing the game of life. You are redefining it, crafting a reality that resonates with your deepest aspiration and dreams. Trust in your inner guidance becomes paramount. For aligning with the universe, the fourth step in comprehending the universe is tuning into your guidance system. Akin to using a compass in a world of energy, the universe communicates through energy, a language distinct from our verbal expressions. Often, our thoughts and words fall short of conveying our true feelings. It is your emotions, gut feelings, and intuitive nudges that serve as authentic guides. When something feels right, it is usually in harmony with your true path. Conversely, if it feels wrong, it likely isn't meant for you. The universe communicates through vibrations and feelings, transcending the limitations of human language. Emotions, gut instincts, and spontaneous intuitions act as reliable guides, offering a dialect that resonates with the essence of your inner truth. Listening to this guidance system is an art that requires nuance. It involves distinguishing between the fleeting pleasures presented by your ego and the profound sense of rightness that emanates from deep within. While the ego may entice with promises of happiness, they often mask illusions, obscuring true contentment. True fulfillment is found in gravitating towards what feels inherently right and steering clear of what doesn't. It's a delicate dance, relying on resonance and the innate understanding of your authentic self. Resonance manifests itself during moments of tranquility and clarity, and internal confirmation that something is inherently right for us. If an experience brings joy and ease, it's a green light. If it elicits discomfort or doubt, it's a signal to let go. By consistently following this inner trail of positive feelings, we effortlessly align with our authentic path, minimizing overthinking and maximizing our harmony with true nature. It's a dance of intuition and trust, where each step taken in resonance brings us closer to our ultimate destination, a life aligned with our deepest truths and highest aspiration. Reprogramming the subconscious through repetition marks our fifth and final step in comprehending the universe. This step involves recognizing the power of repetition to shape our subconscious mind, akin to a mirror reflecting the ways of the universe. The law of attraction is deeply embedded in the subconscious, far more than the ever-changing thoughts of our conscious mind. Unlike the latter, the subconscious mind is a non-discriminatory vessel that accepts and affirms every input, blurring the line between reality and imagination. It responds to our mental narratives as if they were tangible experiences. To harness this power, it is crucial to anchor ourselves in the present, steering clear of the shadows of past traumas. Our subconscious is an extensive archive cataloging every bit of attention we give, encompassing both our life experiences and the broader social conditioning we undergo. It's a blank slate that doesn't filter harmful thoughts. This is a task for our conscious vigilance. Using repetition as a tool, we can consciously sculpt the beliefs rooted in our subconscious. Imagine wanting to shift from self-doubt to self-assurance by consistently affirming a potent statement like "I am the most confident person in the world," and infusing it with genuine belief and emotion. You initiate a profound transformation through this practice. The essence of affirmation goes beyond mere repetition of words. It involves embodying the core message. the current state of affairs becomes inconsequential as the focus shifts towards your future self, the embodiment of your aspiration. Consistent reinforcement of these affirmations establishes an energetic resonance that, over time, prompts the subconscious to acknowledge a paradigm shift. As these affirmations start materializing in your reality, your self-confidence solidifies, naturally reflecting in your demeanor, actions, and speech. In conclusion, as we wrap up our exploration into the mysteries of the universe, it becomes crucial to realize that you are an integral part of the cosmos. Connecting with the universe means delving into the deepest aspects of yourself. As you are the architect of your destiny, wielding the power to sculpt your journey. Prioritizing your inner well-being becomes essential for cleansing and elevating your spirit. The universe acts as a mirror, reflecting your inner world. Taking control and aligning your thoughts and feelings with positivity establishes a profound dialogue with the universe. Your life unfolds as a canvas of infinite possibilities, and you, the skilled artist, paint the picture of your desired reality. Each choice and belief act as brushstrokes on the canvas of your life. By consciously selecting thoughts and actions in harmony with your higher self, you orchestrate a masterpiece seamlessly intertwined with the grand design of the universe.